Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana is grinding through the range, nothing too significant, but I've made a change to the chart. One important, well, not really too much of a change, but just an addition. So I've added the 38.2 fib level now to our support area. And the reason for that is, as already said in previous videos, I'm not entirely sure if we really get to 1739. If I'm looking at this C wave, which has been coming down here, so just remember we talked about an A wave of the Sunday, the 29th of January highs, to the downside. It hit the 38.2 fib level, something that an A wave often does, and they often do react to these. And we had some good entries at the 38.2 fib levels for some of the B waves that followed back in January, February. We then rallied in a B wave, hit our B wave resistance area, which is so important and relevant for such a B wave after a 3-wave A wave. Then you get a strong B wave typically. And the C wave to the downside. That's a bit of a mystery because it is not following through impulsively. So it's either correctively or we count it as an ending diagonal. The C wave can be an ending diagonal where every subwave consists of ABC, which is how I count it at the moment. And that's when it makes this choppy impression. It looks choppy, looks sloppy, is subject to change very often. But because of this choppy nature, it is a less reliable structure. And therefore, I'm adding now the 38.2 fib level as key support here as well, because I'm not sure if it will get down to the 50% level. If the micro count here is correct, it should. And by all means, that would be my primary expectation. However, I wouldn't want to bet on it. And in fact, I already added some SOL to my portfolio here. Small position size only, because I fully expect it to come down lower. But I don't want to be left out if it starts to rally from here. Because there is one more thing to talk about, which is the length of the C wave. As per Elliott wave, one very common way of calculating the target for a C wave. Remember, we talk here about an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. One very common way is to take the length of the A wave, we go to the high of the B wave, and target-wise, we talk about the $20 level here for the 1-to-1 ratio. Now, we haven't fully reached it yet, but we're nearly there. So just be aware of that. $20, $19.60, it's very, very close together. I mean, maybe I should activate here a separate support area. I'm just thinking about it because Solana is one of the few coins that hasn't reached the support area and which has the 1-to-1 ratio here very close to the 38.2 fib. So we've got a good confluence there. But if it drops below 1960, then I would, then the bears get into control. It will then break a key support, also previous structural support, and will probably head down to 1739, maybe even 1517. But I wouldn't be so confident it will go down that low. Afterwards, we would expect a turnaround in a third wave. Well, saying that, it could be a third wave rally or a C wave rally. You wouldn't really notice the difference in the actual rally, only what happens afterwards, because in the more bullish interpretation, we've then already seen the bear market low, and it would rally in a third wave, get a fourth and a fifth, but we will not know that until we've reached the peak of the third. So in a more bearish interpretation, this would be an ABC structure, and it might be wise, therefore, to take some profits towards the end of this wave, which could just be an ABC, because afterwards it could be that we just come down and make a new low. Or playing the smart game with stop losses might be another option. Just want to highlight it, not that you get all super hyped and think, okay, Ben said Solana will go to $200 next. No, but we have a valid long setup here. As long as $12 hold, I would expect a rally in either a third wave or a C wave into the $50 region. Bear in mind, $48 is a very, very important support. So if I zoom out a little bit, $48 is basically here the August high. And the July high. So in that region, $47, $48, there's a lot of resistance. But yeah, that's sort of my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.